It's a little windy and it's raining. Saw some blow-ups. Sad. Oh, shoot, first cast, man. Yes. I'm using a wake bait. Oh yeah. Bring back some good memories. Oh man. That is one loud lure. Get my pliers with this guy. All right, there's the first cast out there, guys. All right, here you go. Let me make sure my pliers are handily ready. Oh man, all this rain though.
Gotta have some freezing rain.
Dang, it's doing it already?
Yep.
Dang it. That's much sooner than expected. Alright then. I gotta go to my plan B. Huh? Yeah, swipes?
Yeah, I had like 2 zip lines.
Ooh, let me try.
They got babies on my left over there.
Ooh, yeah, got one now. Second one. Huh? Yeah. Oh shoot. Where's my pliers?
Yeah, what you do, man?
I just hooked him up. Alright. Let's see if he lives. Alright, he's fine. Yeah, the water is really warm. Alright.
Did I see it?
I don't see or feel it.
Hit my eyes, man.
Maybe it's hitting you good. Maybe you're just more sensitive than me. Alright. Here's plan B. A fluke with a Megabass swim bait head. Maybe I should cut this part off and then... Oh well, we'll go with this. Yeah, I'm gonna readjust it. It just looks too funny. Alright, this is looking better. Okay, I could pretty much hit the other side with this jig head. And swim bait head. just right. Oh my gosh. Oh shit. Oh fuck, that was bad.
Oh, that was probably at least a 2-pounder.
Ah, I didn't get to weigh it. Oh my god.
That was a 2-pounder, dude.
It bit just right here too. I saw it swim up to it.
That was large.
Oh man.
Now you know how the excitement is. You got that West McGann craft.
Whew, man. Okay, plan B worked.
No, look at ice.
Oh man. Yeah, that was good. Ah, fucked up. Okay, let's go back to what was plan A.
Why is my luck so bad today?
And if I don't catch anything, I'll switch this up.
Look at ice.
Yeah, I saw. I've noticed. I mean, you know, man. Either. Oh shit! Yes. Oh, oh baby.
Today's your lucky day.
I know, right?
Just on this side.
Oh no, he's gonna get your line. Well, I'll just do this. Yep, back to my subsurface, my wake bait. Well, I did have to put him on timeout for a bit. All right. Not bad. I guess we'll weigh this one since I couldn't weigh the last one. All right. Make sure it's 0 first. $15 ounce, just under a pound. All right, little guy. And off you go. Whew. All right, let's get back to it. Back to you. Let's see if I can still catch anything with you through this crazy weather. Caught some line. There's success everywhere I go, You got something? Good one? See, told you it works. Any time of the day. Reef forums, they even recommend using plastic during the night. What's up? Where's your fish at?
I don't know.
Try to get on cam before you lose it.
Whoa!
Hey, that's a pretty good one. Holy crap.
Holy shit. Woo! What time?
No, right? Ah,
Damn.
what you gonna do?
Okay, you gonna wait?
We should weigh it.
There's something trying to take a bite out of it, dude.
Oh,
It's
yeah, I
got a
see.
mark on both sides.
Yeah, I see. All right, it's been 0. All right. He is 1 pound 7 ounce.
Damn, that was only 1 ounce bigger than my other one. Oh well.
You found your calling again.
It's like I didn't lose all my bad luck over there that one time.
You just have to stick to that one thing that's working for you. The only thing that's been really working for us. Alright, Knifey. The SOG. It's time to set this guy loose. Near effortless. Good old knife. Ah, shoot. Dang it. Ah. I casted it wrong.
Huh?
Whew.
What'd you do?
I just cast it wrong. Cast it too far to the left.
We get stranded, I get the boat though.
Yeah, this guy sure as hell cracked.
Is it still there?
Yeah, it still does its action. Oh no, it's sinking now. It doesn't rattle no more. Yep, there goes my lure. Fuck. Well, this lure had a good run. Much bad of me. Ah, damn it. There goes a good lure. Better get me a new one. Yeah, this is how cracked I have it now. That's how badly cracked it is.
Damn, dude.
It still does this little thing, but yeah, just no noise now. And it sinks too. But I think it's still worth keeping. I'm devastated. Looks like it seemed to have turned into snow. Oh boy. I didn't think it was going to be cold enough for it to do that. Today was supposed to be rated for like 40 degrees or something. But as you can see, it's snowing now. Oh, by the way, I'm using a Ned rig. I thought it was rocks. Oh, they're still biting, they're still biting. Okay, there we go. Oh, right. Ooh. Well, here you go, guys. That's Ned rigging. And just slowly dragging it from the bottom. I have braided line too, so I could tell when I'm pulling it, when I'm hitting rocks. Whenever I'm hitting rocks, it should send out vibration and maybe alert some bass that something is nearby. And they find my worm, and they'll decide whether or not they want to eat it. Oh, okay, another bite. Let's see if they commit to it. Yeah, oh, it came off. Jeez, I had him. Oh. Okay, try again. This is devastating weather. It's snowing out here, man. Oh. Well, if you've been keeping up with the weather nowadays, I use Google. I usually look up the 10-day weather forecast. And I guess you can't totally trust that anymore. I said I was just supposed to sleep or something. But that's turned, oh, another bite. Ah, they stopped. But yeah, that turned into snow. And what we're having right now throw this guy again. They're taking it. I'm just missing the hook set. So I see that the Ned rig has like it has a weed guard. I think I gotta set the hook harder than I usually do. That's probably why I missed out the last two. Biting. Yes. Tiny one though. Okay. Here we go. Alright, Ned rig. It seems like my weed guard is messed up a little bit. Pull it back up. There we go. Oh, something bit. And now I miss. Biting, and they stopped. Oh, I guess they did though. Okay. Come here, you. Tore up my worm, didn't you? That's the way to do it. Turn off my worm. Okay. Whew. Oh, bite. Just wait for a little bit. Just wait for him to commit. He's not committing. I think he let go of my bait already. Nope, I think he's still there.
Any more?
Ah, here we go. Yeah. Just no, nothing on my Gancraft.
Yeah, I caught 3 down there.
Huh?
I caught 3 down there.
Oh, really? Any good ones? How big were they?
They weren't too big. The one I got off is probably almost 2 pounders.
Was that the biggest you got?
I think so. Yeah, I feel it landed. It's on the way. It came off when I started to run. Yeah, I think I'm going to put a mega bass for a while.
I'm surprised your thing's working, man.
What?
I'm surprised your mega bass is working.
Man, he said it works everywhere.
I guess they don't care trout color one way or another.
3 or 4 in one day. Gancraft is usually just like once or one a day.
Oh, damn it! Oh, took my freaking worm. It seems even. Oh shoot! I did break off. My Ned rig just fell down. Oh my god. They're biting. Yes.
Not bad at all, actually.
Okay. Ha, I knew it. He came back for it.
Not bad.
Yep.
Pretty good day.
Whew. Well, this might just be the biggest of my day. So, well, let's weigh it.
Yeah.
If it's not 15 ounce, then I'm wrong.
Pretty sizable. Guess I'll build my bull around a little bit longer. The paint's pretty good on this guy, surprisingly.
Huh? The
Compared to
painting?
Cancraft, the paint's pretty good.
No chip or damage?
There's some chips. There's a chip on the rock right here.
Not as much as from Gancraft. Alright, stop moving. The weight cannot be accurate. Oh shoot. Dang it. This gripper though, man. No.
I was gonna say
We can't
cut that out, but never mind.
We can't add the weight on this guy. Well, before he started moving around a lot, it got to 1.2, so well, we'll just say it was like a pound. Dang it. Let me get over there. Are you sure? Okay. Gotta reel this guy in.
What are you doing, man? Holy fucking shit! Hey, give me your weight.
Dang. Yeah, that's a pretty good one. Is it spotted or is it large?
It's a largie.
Dang. I didn't think there's that big one here.
I know, man. Give me your
Let me find a place to set my rods down.
Like I let it fall too. I got hair out the leash.
Okay.
Heard. Yeah.
All right. Probably not your PB.
Oh damn. Damn, you drew blood on me.
3 pounds, 1 ounce.
It's really 3 pounds?
That's what this thing says.
Yeah, that sucks, dude. Yeah, that's not a PB then. I feel like my PB.
That's a pretty good one. Holy shit.
Oh shit.
Good job. You turn,
Make a ass.
yeah, you turn your thing around. Woo. Turn from a bad day to a good day.
Oh man.